Hello, everyone. So, February 13th, 2022. I'm going to get a lot of heat from this video, but it's good for you guys to know that here. I'm not here for paid clicks. I'm not here for viewers. I don't ask anyone to subscribe. I don't ask anyone to like. On Reddit, I don't ask for followers. On Twitter, same thing. Because this video is definitely going to be controversial because with every single trade, there's a winner, there's a loser and winner. Now I know it's going to be a lot of controversy because even when I speak to my trading team, I call them the generals. I have over 30 of them. Every single time I touch on this topic, they get mad at me. So I'm trying to explain this because not everything can go up forever. When you're selling a stock, someone is buying a stock. When you were buying a stock, someone is selling a stock. All right, these stocks don't come from thin air. Even if they're printed, even if the company is printing the shares, they are selling it. They are raising cash and selling to you. So what that means is they won, you lost, and you hope to sell it to someone else so that you can win. But it's very, very important topic right now because in 2020 and 2021, everyone thought that stocks just only go up and everyone can make money. So what happens when some people start losing money? When some people start losing money and the companies that don't make any money see the stocks going up and they sell, when they put more shares into supply, the stocks go down. They win, you lose because they're raising money from you guys, and the stock goes down. All of a sudden, it starts margin calls. It starts to have people in fear. And the whole importance of this video is, and I hate to say this, is many of you guys over retail need to get washed out. Now, I know when I say that, I'm going to get a lot of turmoil, a lot of hate, and that's okay. Because once again, I'm not here for views. I'm not here for followers. I don't even get paid one penny by YouTube. I don't get paid on Twitter. And I don't get paid on Reddit. Some people watch my trades and they donate, but my team is small. So the truth of the matter is a lot of people are in the market that were not supposed to be in the market. Stocks were inflated like they were in the 90s. Since the 90s, I have not seen another opportunity like this until 2020, which is a perfect storm. Everyone trading at home, commission-free trading, money is flying everywhere. Stimulus is flying everywhere. Interest rates are low, so it was easy to borrow money. Expectations for companies were way, way down, and the whole market crashed. Why? Because the pandemic. So when the pandemic happened, immediately we had a crash, but it was only a crash for like 2 months, and then we rose to insane heights. And the reason we rose to insane heights was, like I said, the perfect storm. Free trading. Everyone at home, they couldn't gamble, they couldn't work. People were getting paid on unemployment $1,000 a week for not working. So why are they going to work? Interest rates so low. Expectations of companies were so low. So it was a perfect storm. Stocks only went up. Stocks only went up, but only for so much time. Now, I didn't know it was going to take this much time. And the importance of this is saying we need stocks to come down to a level that makes some sense. Now, stock, everyone has a different opinion in stock. If everyone had the same exact opinion on every single stock, stocks would not move. Because if I thought it was 10, you thought it was 10, the other person thought it was 10, your friends thought it was 10, it's 10. It's not going anywhere. So it's okay to have speculation. And it's okay to speculate too. When it's a bull run and everything is going up, I speculate too. Because we make more money on a bull run and when you're buying growth tech stocks. But all of a sudden in October, like I've said in other videos, I about faced. I saw a lot of warning signs. So when I see a lot of warning signs, I've been trading for so long, I back up and I proceed with caution. I was buying puts since October. I'm still buying puts. But now I'm trying to tell you all that unfortunately a lot of you guys need to lose money. Now I know, like I said, that's going to cause a lot of controversy because people are going to say, oh, why does Nathan got to say that? Why can't we all make money? We cannot all make money. Because whenever someone wins, someone loses. Is that going to be you? You? It's not going to be me. So you have to decide, are you going to be smarter than the next person? Or are you going to make the mistake? I'm saying that because people are still buying dips. The NASDAQ fell off to like 13,200 2 Mondays ago and January 24th. Amazon had bad earnings. Liftoff. Now, Google had amazing earnings. Apple had great earnings. Amazing earnings. Those two. But those two are not 10,000 stocks. So for whatever reason, the market went from 13,100 and change to 14,500, 1,400 points on nothing. All the data says we're going lower. So for that reason, I opened up puts before. I had puts on Amazon after the bad earnings, but the market just decided to have everything rally. Now, we can't go against the market. I'm going to do another video on what I'm planning to do, but this video is, you guys are going to have to lose money. Now, whether it's going to be the dummies, and luckily, I'm not known. I'm not on CNBC. I'm not on TV. I don't have that many followers anywhere. So, we can't have everyone get smart. If everyone gets smart, none of us are going to make money. The way we make money in this market, and I like to tell all my generals, all the people over at Ultimate Traders, I'm not a scalper. I'm not a trader. I'm like an analyst waiting and watching the market and exploiting an opportunity that I see, because retail is deciding what a stock is. And when it hits a price level that I feel I can make money, I jump in. So that's what you need to be. And unfortunately, a lot of retail needs to lose money. They need to get washed out. Now, this is another way that retail doesn't have to lose money. They have to get out of speculative stocks. Now, this is going to cause me a lot of controversy too, because there's a lot of people in a lot of the controversial stocks, whether it be AMC, GameStop, Tesla, Bed Bath & Beyond, whether NVIDIA's at insane multiples never seen before, whether AMD's at levels never seen before. These things have to correct, because in order for the market to be okay, for me to know that it's safe, I need to see things that make sense to me. A lot of this stuff doesn't make sense. I was trading NVIDIA like 10 years ago, AMD like 10 years ago. These companies were like Intel. They had PE ratios of 10, 20. They didn't have PE ratios of 50, 60, 100. When a stock has a multiple that doesn't make any sense, and it's been trading forever, okay? It's been trading forever, and it traded 10 times earnings. All of a sudden, retail came in 2020, and your stock that used to trade at 10 times what they make. So if they made $1 a share and the stock is trading at 10, all of a sudden retail came in, all retail bundled up like an army and bid it up. And now it's $100. It used to be 10. They still make money. So it's not like a fake company like NVIDIA. I'm not saying NVIDIA is a fake company. Okay. But if NVIDIA had a PE ratio of 20, and they make like $3 or $4 a share, so let's just say it's $4 a share, and let's just say it's 80, and now we're trading at 240 or 250. The only difference wasn't NVIDIA making a bunch of money. They're not making a bunch more. People try to brainwash themselves, spread FUD. No, they're not making a lot of money. Retail came in and bidded it up. Come on, man. I don't like, because I'm on Reddit. I'm not using Reddit as much. So on Reddit a little bit. I'm reading Twitter a lot, and people are trying to back up AMD. They're trying to back up Tesla. They're trying to back up NVIDIA. You cannot back up these. So these stocks, these companies traded forever. What happened in 2020, 2021? A bunch of retail came in and started to bid and inflate stocks to prices never seen before. Now, I don't have to see NVIDIA go down to 150. It'll be healthier for me if I see NVIDIA go down to like 200, even lower. That's a little bit more reasonable. I don't have any position in NVIDIA. Same thing with AMD. If I see AMD go down to like 60 or 70, I'll say, okay, some retail came out. And I want to see retail rotate out and go into companies that make money. Because if they keep buying dips and they keep doing speculation, how do I value? I've been trading since the 90s. How do I value a company based on what's going on right now? Because for the last 2 years, everything that's going on doesn't make any sense. I'm one of those people that are risk averse that's been doing this forever. I do calculated trades, but it's hard to calculate a trade when you have a whole bunch of retail coming in and changing the price. So the easy example of this is baseball cards. Okay, when I was a little kid, before I started owning companies and trading companies, when I was like 7, 8, 9, 10 years old, I used to trade a lot of baseball cards, some basketball cards. What do you do when you had baseball cards or basketball cards? You watch them play. You watch them play. If the baseball player or the basketball player did great, did really hot, you were thinking the price of the card would go up. And when it would go up, it would increase demand. So what would happen with that? I was a little kid. I was trading baseball cards, basketball cards with people. So when a player was hot, I can trade like a Don Mattingly or a Darryl Strawberry or Roger Clemens for 3 or 4 All-Stars. That's what happens. But if someone comes in that doesn't know baseball cards, and wants to give money or trade 10 All-Stars for one, you can never trade your one card for 2 cards ever again, because you have new people coming in that are willing to pay 10 times what you want to pay. So when they price you out, that's what I'm saying. When they price you out, like right now, retail is pricing people out. You all need to be washed out. And I hate to say that, but that's the truth. I know that's why I don't have a lot of viewers. I get hate on Reddit. I get hate on Twitter, because I give it to you guys the real deal. There's a guy on Twitter, Bentley Trading something on Twitter. He blocked me, so I don't know. But he was saying that he turned $500 into $2 million in a year. The guy went from like 800 followers when I was following him to like 10,000 in a week. Because that's what you guys want. You guys want to believe that some kid that just started trading, of course, after the pandemic. This Bentley guy did after the pandemic too. But this kid, he turned $16 into like $70,000 in a month. $16. That's what you all want to hear. You all want to hear that AMC is going to 200. You want to hear that GameStop is going to 1,000. And you get mad when I tell you this is not happening. Not happening. Okay, the last real short squeeze was Avis, CAR. That was short close to 50% when it happened. And that's why it spiked up. If your stock is not over 50% short, it's not having a super duper mother of all short squeezes. Now, that doesn't mean it can't squeeze, but you're talking about epic. It cannot have an epic squeeze anymore. So I'm really sorry, but you guys have to understand that if you guys want things to go up again, first there needs to be a flush. People need to lose money. Is it going to be you? And when people lose money and things get, when people rotate out, and I say things are good, we'll be ready to rise again. I think we'll rise again, but people need to be flushed out first.